Hello everyone. Hope all of you are doing good. Today I've come up with a mouth-watering recipe. It's the Soyanuggets kosha. So let's get on with the recipe. First, as usual, we heat the karai or the wok and we add mustard oil into it. Once it's heated, we add in the potatoes. Just remember to add 1 or 2 potatoes first. If you add the full thing at once, it's going to splutter onto your face and the oil is very hot. So just add a few potatoes first and then later you add the rest. Just a dash of salt into it and then you start frying the potatoes. Next you will add in the soyabean nuggets. Now this has been boiled in water and washed. You wash it several times, 3-4 times by squeezing the water, the soyabean and then cleaning it with fresh water again. Now keep frying this till it turns a golden brown color. See, I've shown it to you. It has to turn to this golden brown color, and at this point you remove and keep it aside. We take the same karai, add some more oil into it, the mustard oil, and bring it to a smoking heat. Now we are going to temper this oil, and for the tempering I've used a bay leaf, the red chili and the cumin seed, that is the jeera. Add this into the hot oil. Fry it for some time till it changes its color slightly and an aroma is liberated. At this time, you're going to add in the chopped onions into it, the finely chopped onion. And yes, the recipe and the ingredients list for this recipe is all given at the end of the video, the exact amounts and measurements. So after you watch this video, you can easily get onto the ingredients list. So you need not worry about it. Here what we have done is we have added the finely chopped onion and we have started to fry it. Keep on frying till it changes its color very slightly, light pinkish or light brown color, you can say. Now time to add in the diced tomatoes. In goes the tomatoes, and I'm going to add the chilies, the green chilies that have been slit. Please slit the green chilies before you add them into the oil. And then give it a good stir again. Since we already added salt earlier, you need not add salt here because the karai does have a little bit of salt in it. Now I'm going to add in a paste. Now this paste is made with ginger, the green chilies and the garlic. The exact measurements for all these are mentioned in the ingredients list at the end of the video. Now stir this up well. The raw smell of the ginger has to go away completely. Now you add in a little bit of turmeric powder. Stir this as well. Followed by the other dry masalas, that is the cumin powder or the jeera powder, followed by the coriander powder, that is the dhania powder, and then just for the color I've added Kashmiri red chili powder. You can skip this, but if you add this it gives a very good color, the reddish color to the dish. Next very important step is that you add a little bit of water, because if you don't add water, these dry spices are going to burn. So you add a little water and then you start frying these dry spices. The dry spices have to cook well. So without burning them, we can fry them by adding this water into it. See, I've added some more water because I need to fry it more. I'm going to add some more water into it, and then I'm going to start frying these dry spices. Here I'm going to add the salt as well. It has been fried for quite some time. The water has dried and the oil has started to leave the sides as well. Now we can lower the flame and then add in the fried potatoes and the soya nuggets into it. Mix all this very well so that it gets coated with the masala from all sides. Once this mixing has been done, you add in water into it. You can increase the flame right now and then stir it well. See, I've mixed everything very well. Time to add in the water. Now, how much water you're going to add depends upon how much gravy you want to keep. But here what I have done is, I have added sufficient water to just cover the layer of potatoes and the soya nuggets. That will be enough to cook the potatoes completely. You may add more water later if you see that you need more gravy. That depends on you. Now cover the kadai again and let it cook on a medium flame till the potatoes are completely done. Now I've removed the cover and you can see that the water has dried up to quite an extent. The potatoes also have cooked properly. Now time to add in a dash of sugar. This will enhance the taste of the dish. And then the final thing that goes into it is the garam masala powder. Here I have used the Bengali garam masala. You can use whatever garam masala you use at home. Give it a good stir. Please check the salt at this point. If need be, you add some more salt. And then you cover and give it some standing time. Switch off the flame and give it some standing time, and then you can serve it after that. Now this is ready. See, it looks so very delicious. You can serve it with anything. It goes well with luchi, paratha, roti, fulka, even dal and rice. It goes well with everything, but I like it best with the luchi, Luchi and Soyabeankosha, that is what we like the most. But yes, it goes well with the rice and dal as well. If you have just made rice and dal and this as a side dish, it is going to be a hit. Do give it a try and let us know how you have done it. Thanks for watching our video till the end. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And here is the ingredients list. Please have a look into it. So till we meet in the next video, it's bye-bye.